Upwork, one of the largest and most well-known freelance platforms, offering a wide range of jobs across various industries. Freelancer.com, a global marketplace for freelancers, with a vast array of projects in categories like web development, design, writing, and more. Fiverr, a platform where freelancers offer their services in the form of gigs, starting at $5, with opportunities to add extras for additional fees. Guru, a platform for freelancers that covers fields like web development, design, writing, marketing, and more. TopTal, an exclusive platform for top-tier freelancers and clients, with a rigorous screening process for freelancers to ensure quality work. People Per Hour, a UK-based platform that allows freelancers to offer services by the hour or per project in areas like design, development, writing, and marketing. 99 Designs, a platform focused on design work, where clients can launch contests or work directly with freelancers on their project.